Here we have the Seeker450 from OFM. This is an awesome FPV platform. You can mount your GoPro right up here, and we can also install an FPV kit. Just for this unit, we're just going to kind of show you how it flies and the flight characteristics. It comes with a T8J radio and the Futaba R008SB. This thing runs off of an S-Bus connection, so a single wire controls everything. It's an awesome flying platform, really fast, and just a blast to fly. So I'll power it up and show you guys what it can do. This is a really fast platform and just an absolute blast to fly. You can see here we've got some pretty good winds going on and it's WN affected.